Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential gadget for every driver, the 1080p HD dash camera with a 170 degrees wide-angle vehicle cam. We discovered this impressive product online, and we've added the link in the description below, so you can easily check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this dash cam? This compact device serves as your trusty co-pilot, capturing everything happening on the road in stunning 1080p HD resolution. With its 170-degree wide-angle field of view, it allows you to monitor multiple lanes and minimize blind spots, ensuring you don't miss any critical details, like license plates or road signs. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this dash cam a must-have. First up is the advanced 3D noise reduction algorithm, which effectively eliminates unwanted pixels from your images. Combined with wide dynamic range technology, it ensures that your video quality remains clear and smooth even in low-light conditions. So whether you're driving through a dark tunnel or under challenging lighting, you can trust that this dash cam will record every moment in high clarity. Another key feature is the built-in G-sensor. This intelligent technology detects sudden shakes or collisions around your vehicle, providing reliable 24-hour parking surveillance. This means that even when you're away from your car, the dash cam will automatically start recording if it senses any potential incidents, giving you peace of mind. This dash cam is versatile and suitable for all kinds of vehicles. Whether you drive a compact car, a truck, a bus, or even agricultural equipment, this device will fit seamlessly into your setup. As for practical use cases, imagine you're on a road trip and you want to capture the beautiful scenery along the way. The wide-angle lens will allow you to document your journey with stunning clarity. Or perhaps you're parked in a crowded lot and worry about potential damage to your vehicle. With the 24-hour parking monitor, you can rest easy knowing that any incident will be recorded. Even in the unfortunate event of an accident, having clear footage can be invaluable for insurance purposes. One thing to note is that the dashcam supports microSD cards ranging from 16 GB to 256 GB, and it's recommended to use cards that have a Class 10 read/write speed or higher. This will ensure optimal performance and prevent any video recording errors. Just keep in mind that the SD card is not included with your purchase. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam that covers all your needs while driving, this 1080p HD dash camera with a 170 degrees wide-angle vehicle cam is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.